dear friend. If you're rereading this message, that means one thing: you're looking for quick, healthy, family-friendly meals and recipes that accelerate fat loss, are wholesome and nutritious, and that your entire family will love. Odds are you've come to the end of your rope. You've tried cooking healthy recipes in the past, but your family disliked them, and frankly, despite your best efforts, they probably didn't even come out right. I'll show you how to fix all of that in just a moment. Your family is more important to you than anything, which is why you've decided to implement some changes into mealtime. Whether your motivation is weight loss, diabetes prevention, heart disease prevention, or simply overall health and well-being, you've come to the right place. I am so happy to be here with you as you begin your family's journey to a diet filled with real, wholesome foods that are gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free. But that does not mean they're flavor-free. On the contrary, you discover the recipes and meal plans I have for you here are undoubtedly the best tasting meals you've ever had. During the 5 years that followed, I literally read over 3 dozen nutrition books, all types of clinical studies, and spent thousands of hours in the kitchen experimenting with new ingredients to create healthier versions of the most popular meals that my family enjoys. 5 years, dozens of books and studies researched, and hundreds of healthy recipes later, I am in a position to share with you all that I've discovered on how to cook and serve family-friendly fat-burning meals that your family will love and that you can feel good about serving them. In fact, each and every day hundreds of thousands of people just like you come to my blog to learn how to prepare wholesome, gluten-free, dairy-free, and cane sugar-free meals that are packed with flavor and are downright good for you and your family. Here are the 3 main problems with mainstream family meals. Problem number 1: these traditional family meals are built around fattening ingredients. Problem number 2: these traditional family meals are lacking in fiber. Problem number 3: these traditional family meals contain way too many calories. 3 reasons why your family needs family-friendly fat-burning meals. Reason number 1: family-friendly fat-burning meals have been designed with fat-burning ingredients in every recipe so that you can lose the unwanted weight and get back to looking and feeling the way you've always wanted. Reason number 2: family-friendly fat-burning meals are naturally fiber-rich and full of flavor. They're never prepared with artificial flavors or chemically enhanced like most store-bought foods. Reason number 3: family-friendly fat-burning meals are naturally lower in calories, carbohydrates, and fats and have greater amounts of bioavailable nutrients so that your family gets all of the flavor without getting fat or bloated. So, as you now see, family-friendly fat-burning meals will help your family effortlessly drop unwanted pounds while giving you the peace of mind knowing that you are giving your family the very best nutrition available. But what's even more important is that these recipes taste amazing and are kid-friendly, too. These aren't bland healthy meals that you've tried before. I guess you can say that family-friendly fat-burning meals are family-tested and approved. But until now I've never put all of my best fat-burning recipes into one cookbook packed with 110 of your all-time favorite fat-burning recipes plus dozens of new ones that you won't find anywhere else. Family-friendly fat-burning meals is more than just the world's greatest collection of amazing and delicious fat-burning recipes, meals plans, and fat-burning ingredient and desserts. Now you can easily transform your family meals to burn belly fat by removing the harmful fattening ingredients and the toxins that cause bloating and inflammation in the gut that are hiding inside your healthy meals using these innovative, quick and mouth-watering recipes, and ingredient subs. And you'll do it today just in time for dinner. In just a few hours, you can convert all the ingredients lurking right inside your own kitchen from fat-promoting foods to fat-burning foods that quickly transform your damaged metabolism and make you and your family into fat-burning machines and give you more energy. You don't need to follow a difficult, time-consuming meal plan or diet. You don't need to beg your kids and spouse to try these new healthy foods. They love your cooking and they'll never know that they are eating healthy, fat-burning recipes unless you tell them. And you certainly don't need to serve dull, tasteless, and unappealing recipes. So please click the link in video description to download family-friendly fat-burning meals ebook right now.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.